This right here is the most bullish crypto market you've ever seen, and it looks like it's nowhere near stopping, continuing into 2026. Today's main focus is on the biggest project in crypto. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. This video is clearly not financial advice, only intended for entertainment purposes. Crypto One is an all-in-one blockchain-powered application designed to make crypto onboarding simple, engaging, and rewarding, integrating a wallet setup, entertainment, social communication, blockchain radio, and education all into one seamless platform. The pre-sale for Crypto One is going live very, very soon, so you'll definitely hear about that in the future. And here, understanding education and onboarding new folks into crypto is really the main focus of Crypto One. As I mentioned, that integrating wallet setup, entertainment, social communication, blockchain radio, and education all in one. Let's go over more of the platform here. You can see links to their social channels, their offerings, as I've already mentioned. Don't forget their tokenomics, which is super important. They do have a 2% buy and sell tax, rewards one holders in BNB and also in VSG. You can see it's on the BSC Smart Chain and the roadmap to push it into late 2025 and then 2026, getting their app launch, IP and business formation, NFT reward DAOs. Plus, so you can even dive deeper into their white paper, which is available right here. Don't forget their social channels. This is the best way to see all of the latest news announcements and updates. Here you can see Pink Sale partnership and more announcements coming very, very soon. Just posted 3 minutes ago. Even here, they have their Crypto One community. Some big posts by some big influencers, and even their Telegram group. Great way to chat with the team in the community if you did have any questions. There we have it for Crypto One. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.